India is commemorating Chabahar Day today on the sidelines of the Maritime India Summit 2021. Ministers from Afghanistan, Armenia, Iran, Kazakhstan, Russia, Uzbekistan participated in the virtual event. And speaking at that event, India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized on working with all regional stakeholders to increase connectivity. Briefing the gathering virtually, Jaishankar asserted that Chabahar port has emerged as a transport hub and sent humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. The External Affairs Minister also mentioned that there is a huge infrastructure deficit in the region which needs to be met to fulfill the growing aspirations.
The Government of India, recognizing the importance of regional connectivity, made a landmark decision to undertake an overseas port investment in Chabahar. While this project had been under discussion for some time, it was during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Iran in 2016 that a trilateral agreement to establish an international transport and transit corridor that was signed by India, Iran, and Afghanistan. The transport and transit corridor is intended to ensure the unhindered flow of commerce throughout the region and to create a safe, secure, and reliable route to trade, initially with Afghanistan and thereafter with Central Asia as a whole.
India, in its budget for 2021-22, has set aside rupees 100 crore for the development of this port. In 2018, Iran and India had signed an agreement worth $85 million to develop the Chabahar port in southeastern Iran. This port is a major regional initiative by India which has boosted connectivity to Afghanistan and Central Asia, circumventing Pakistan. The port is a counter to Pakistan's Gwadar port. Joining us on the broadcast is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. For more on that, Siddhant, this is a huge part of India's push for boosting regional connectivity. Take us through the key takeaways from the External Affairs Minister's address and India's priorities when it comes to this region.
Well, Molly, the Indian External Affairs Minister was addressing at the Chabahar Day. This is one of the days in which India talks about the initiative, the entire connectivity initiative, and comes at a time when India is commemorating the India Maritime Summit. This is a mega summit which was inaugurated by the Indian Prime Minister. But talking about the key takeaway of the Indian External Affairs Minister, one of the key outcomes was the fact that he said that India has proposed that Chabahar should be part of the North-South international transport corridor that connects Mumbai to Moscow and passes through Iran, through Central Asian countries, and finally to Moscow. And once Chabahar is part of it, it will boost connectivity. We know that more than 10 countries are part of this grand project, which is already operationalized, and more countries are keen to participate, which of course the Indian External Affairs Minister pointed out, talking about how Afghanistan and Uzbekistan are two countries who want to be part of it, and whenever the governing council meeting of the transport corridor will sit down, they will take a final call on that. But by and large, Chabahar has been operationalized since last 2 years, and we have seen how it has helped India to connect to Afghanistan. India has not only sent a lot of goods to Afghanistan, but also humanitarian goods. We know that last year India sent 75,000 metric ton of wheat to Afghanistan via the Chabahar port to deal with the food crisis, if there is, because of the COVID crisis. Then, of course, we know that India sent pesticides to Iran via the Chabahar port when Iran was dealing with the locust crisis last year, which, of course, impacted India as well. And we know that more and more countries are also eager to use the facilities at Chabahar port. India, in January, provided 2 cranes for the Chabahar port, and next 2 months we'll see India providing 4 cranes to Chabahar, and in a visit of the Minister of Ports here in India, Mansukh Mandaviya, to that port. So clearly India is putting a lot in that port and making sure that it provides connectivity to India towards its west, to Central Asia and beyond.
Siddhant Sibal, thanks very much for those updates. Leaving it there for the moment. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.